What is the fastest Honda motorcycle? You might be thinking it is Honda CBR 500F or Honda CB 650R, but still, you might be wrong. Fastest Honda motorcycle has top speed of approximately 186 miles per hour. This superbike is a standout with its 999cc inline-4 engine, producing 214 horsepower. This Honda motorcycle combines raw power with precision engineering, featuring an aerodynamic design and advanced electronics for stability and control at high speeds, making it a formidable presence on the track. From a production standpoint, fastest Honda motorcycle is the Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP.